Okay, next writing tip. Limit the distance between the subject and the verb. Why, you may ask?
Why?
Well, that's a good question, and the answer is important. Because the very basic unit of virtually all English is that subject-verb, and in that order. This one pattern, subject, verb, object, such as Jackie kicked the football, accounts for the majority of sentences in English, the vast majority. So the closer the subject and the verb can stay together, the clearer your sentence will be. Look at these revision strategies. First, you can move any of these intervening words to the front or end of the sentence. For example, at the sole discretion of the electives executive board can be moved to the end and provide a much clearer statement by keeping that subject-verb pair together. The club may continue. Subject-verb pair. A second issue is called noun packing or info packing. And this, I have to admit, is the most common problem I find in the writing of non-native speakers of English. In other words, sentences that are just too long, because the key is to remember the basic structure of English. Subject, verb, object. And as a writer, all you need to do is to master that structure and then repeat it in short, clear sentences. Here's an example. A claim, which in the case of negligent misconduct, shall not exceed $500, and in the case of intentional conduct, shall not exceed $1,000, may be filed with the office of the administrator by an injured party. Those are two very different ideas in that sentence. Where to file the claim and the amount the claim should be. They therefore deserve two sentences where the subject-verb pair are clearly connected. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you want more of these 10 tips, please check out this playlist and it will give you access to all 10. Okay, see you in the next video.